Alright, this is a natural filtration process that you can do or you can use while maybe you're in a tight corner or in survival situations, and these are the little materials you use for that. So what you need is you need your coal or activated carbon, and then you need different layers of gravel and sand. So this acts as a natural filter. The different layers have different materials or different substances that they filter. The coal is used to filter bad taste, bad odor, and some chemicals. We also have resin. This is the resin. It's used for to trap iron and then reduce the iron content of the water in case there is high iron content. We have the charcoal, which I've already put into the bottle. So we're going to start this process. We're going to show how natural filtration works. Firstly, you have to have a first layer of wool, and then the second layer will be of charcoal. Then we can add our resin to this, and then we add a layer of sand. We add a layer of sand to it. You can see the layer of sand. The finer the better. And then the last layer will be a layer of gravel. Yeah, a layer of gravel. So you can see the first layer, the second layer, and then the third layer. These are going to separate different materials. The sand is used because of it's going to separate little bacteria and all of that from the water. And then the gravel will be used to separate much larger substances like twigs and some tree materials from the water. So these are the gravels. We are doing the gravel collection, and then this is the water, very oily, dirty water. So I'm going to show how this water is going to filter through this material. So we put the gravel into the container, and we can move on. Now we put the dirty water into the different filter layers. That is what we'll do, and then we'll see how it makes it clean. So you can see and this is your product. Yeah, it took a lot of time for the water to pass through these different filters, but what you also have to understand that this is not completely pure. You still have to subject it to further chemical treatment before it can be important for drinking. But under emergency conditions, you can still take this.